students, today we will study the new topic, new chapter, that is components of food. So what is the components of food? To know that word, to know that meaning, we just have to know the first thing is nutrients. So what is the nutrients? The substance which is essential for maintaining life and for growth is called nutrients. So we have 5 major nutrients. What are the 5 major nutrients? The first one is carbohydrate, second is fats, third is proteins, fourth is vitamins, and fifth is minerals. When you add nutrient with a water and rafu, you just call as a component of food. So adding of water and rafu in with the nutrients is called components of food. So let's see, we have a 7 component, that is fats, proteins, minerals, water, rafu, vitamins, and carbohydrates. So let's study one by one. What is carbohydrates? The carbohydrates that provides energy to our body, that is called carbohydrates. And the carbohydrate that we eat, input food, whatever we eat in the form of is a starch, and it comes from the cereals like wheat and rice. Some of the common examples of carbohydrates which we are using in our daily life, that is cereals like wheat, rice, maize, sweet potato, sugar, honey, and fruits we can say banana, mango, papaya. Now come to the next, that is fats. What is fats? The fat is also provide us energy. So we can say that what is the difference between the fat and carbohydrate? Actually the thing is, fat provide twice as much energy as the carbohydrate provides with the same amount. For example, if I want to take energy from the carbohydrate materials, like as I have taken 1 kg rice of and I have taken this rice and I ate this rice, 1 kg rice. Simultaneously, if another people eat 1 kg ghee, so what happened? That people has a more energy as compared to me, because I have taken as a carbohydrate products, and that man is taken as a fat thing. So fat is providing twice as much energy as the carbohydrates provide. So what is the example of carbohydrates? Ghee, butter, cheese, milk, oil, egg, येलो वाला जो हमारे पास the meat, cash, and soya bean. Now let's take another part of the components, that is protein. So what is protein? So protein are the need for growth. Those food which are help for the growth and repairing of our body is called protein, and the foods containing protein are known as body building foods, because it helps to build our body. So that's why it's called body building foods. Examples are milk, cheese, pulses, pea, soya bean, groundnuts, fish meat. So come to the vitamins. What is the vitamins? Vitamins help in protecting our body against the disease. So it helps to fight against the diseases. So we should always take, even doctor also give us capsules of vitamins, because it helps to protect us from the diseases. So what are the types of vitamins which we are taking is A, B, C, D, E, and K. So each vitamins have its own role, own function. The first one is vitamin A. Vitamin A is necessary for good eyesight. If you really you want to be a good eyesight, you should always eat vitamins A materials, healthy skin and hair. So what are the sources, what are the foods which contain vitamins A? Like milk, butter, carrot, fish, liver oil, egg, green vegetables, etc. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is essential for growth and proper functioning of digestive system. So in vitamins A, we can see it helps to the eyesight. But in vitamins We need for digestion of foods, digestion systems, heart, nerve, and muscles. So vitamin B1 helps to grow and proper the functioning of digestive system, heart, nerve, and muscles. So what are the foods that contain vitamins B1? Is milk, egg, meat, potatoes, yeast, and green vegetables. Now come to the vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in keeping teeth, gums, and joint healthy. So if you really want to clean your to free from disease problems like a teeth problem, gums problem, and joint problem, we should always take vitamin C. And it also helps to resist our body to infection and helps to fight the diseases. So what are the sources of vitamins? Citrus fruits, खट्टे fruits, वो fruits जो कि खट्टे हों, like as आंवला, tomato, guava, and green vegetables. Now, vitamin D is what is the role of vitamin D? It helps, or it is vitamin D is necessary for the normal growth of bones and teeth. It helps for the normal growth and bones of the teeth. So vitamin D helps our body to absorb calcium minerals from the food. Okay, and what are the examples of that? Milk, fish, egg, butter, fish liver oil, and most important source is sunlight. So we should always take sunlight in the morning for the normal growth of the bones and teeth.